So I bought this sign at Michael's. It originally was $10. It originally was $20 and I got it for $10. My aunt likes a very rustic, this is her style. Her house is craftsy. Like, it's huge and she likes that sort of thing. So these are all 12 by 3. Like the little pieces are. So I made these puns for her to hang in her kitchen. And these are all songs that she knows. She will like this. It's getting hot in here with an oven. Chop it like it's hot. Whip it real good. We like big cups and we cannot lie. All we need is love. And these songs are my jam. So I'm going to print all these on vinyl. And I have the color down there. I'll get it in just a second. And then I am going to peel and stick.
This paper is called the Paper Studio, and you got this at Michael's, didn't you?
I got that at Hobby Lobby.
Oh, Hobby Lobby.
I haven't used this kind before, so we'll see how that goes.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh. Oh no. It moved everything. Cancel. Okay. I might have to do this somehow in pieces. I just thought they would go on different mats. Because, like, all this is going to have to go somewhere else. You know what I'm saying? Like, group? Can I do that? I don't know what I just did. I don't know what that does for me. I wish I could make another, like, page or something. Because this is all within my mat size. It's 12 by 12. And it should just start a new sheet right there. I don't understand. I guess I'll do it like that.
Is it trying to use up all the space on the one piece of paper and you just have to cut it?
It is, but like my mat isn't that big, so I physically cannot do it that way.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know. I don't know why it's just not putting this on another mat, because this is the part that's too big. I'm gonna try and copy it and paste it. It's not gonna paste. I don't know. Let me play with this and we'll come back, because I don't. Okay, so here is what I figured out. The mat is 12 by 12. You can buy other sizes, but these are like the standard mats, 12 by 12. So I had perfectly calibrated my images to be up to 11.75. Well, your Cricut has a safety on it that will not let you cut above 11.5 on a 12-inch mat. That's stupid and fake news. Like, if I have that space, I should be able to use it, but it's fine. I'm not bitter. So I just had to change everything to 11.5, which really was not that big of a deal. I just had to fix it. But look, now that's like overlapping my stove. Okay, so I'm just gonna go check real quick to make sure everything is Gucci. Yeah, okay, so it looks good now. So now I'm gonna open up my material and I'm gonna load my mat. So now I'm going to use my standard grip mat. I'm gonna cover the whole thing because I'm essentially using the whole thing. Okay, now we need to remember, so we're putting this up there. We can't lose it. Okay, so this is a full Cricut mat wide. So now I just need to make it a full Cricut mat long. That is good.
It's wonky over here. Is that okay?
This is my least favorite.
I'm thinking that paper is wonky or something because you had it.
But we can't just lay it on like that. It has to be. Look, it is. It gets narrower.
Yeah.
Why has this happened to me?
I don't know, because you were doing it right. Do you want to try it at the other end?
Should I go this way?
I would. Yeah, because it fits going that way.
Weird. But it's
Yeah.
a 12 by 12. That doesn't make any sense. Whatever. Alright, so we're gonna turn it on, open it, take off the dirty vinyl.
Do you have to use your scraper, your thing?
Yeah. Okay, we want to set it to vinyl. We're going to load our map. Pull it out because it's going to be using the full extent of the map. I'm going to press go. This is going to take forever. There's one internet. Because it is using all of the space in the world. Starting with the cup.
You can actually see it on this better.
Yeah. Well, because it's not upside down, you know?
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
This is a very amazing machine.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's kind of amazing how it works. It does like a perfect circle. I mean, that sounds crazy, like, yeah, it does do a perfect circle, it's a computer. But that's kind of amazing when you watch it do it. It's really cool. Alright, so as soon as it's ready, press, we peel, we reload. So, Mom, it's you. I need your hands. This vinyl is just like wonky. It's a little weird. Okay, we only need it to go to the 7.
Did we do it this way? I don't remember.
Alright, while that's cutting, we're gonna weed. I'm going to cut this into sections to make it easier for me. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab some tape. Here's what I'm gonna do because it's all rolled. I'm gonna take a small piece of tape on either side. I wanna do that one last because that's what I'm not sure about. And I'm gonna stick a little piece here and a little piece here. So while I'm weeding, the small part, I'm taking out the little pieces. It's not gonna be rolling up on me constantly, and it'll be nice and easy for me. Okay, so now I've gotten the inside of it all out. I'm going to take off my tape, and I'm gonna save it for my next piece. And now I can start removing this part. Now, when it goes 2 ways, so when it pulls apart, I don't want to have to track both sides, so I will just cut it. That way I only have to go around 1 way. And some of you might not need to do that. For me, it just is easier. Ooh, that E came up. There we go. This did not cut as well as I mean, it cut fine. It just is wanting to peel up with this. The Cricut brand doesn't do that. Now you can use transfer tape. I don't, simply because I don't want to buy it. Plus, I have more placement freedom. So that's the first one. The eye came up as a little crooked, but it's fine. Okay, now the next one. Now on this one, I'm gonna have to make a choice of which part of this coffee cup I want to keep and which parts what part I want to be blue and what part I want to show through to the signage. I'll just have to make that decision and see what I want to do. Oh my gosh.
Well, you're learning that vinyl's not fun to work with.
The other vinyl I used was not this much of a pain in the butt. Like, I'm gonna have to reprint this C and this A.
Oh.
That's how bad this, I mean, like, this is bad.
That's a shame. Because this is adorable. Well, what you got there is adorable.
I mean, like, this is a monstrosity, though, to do. Do you see all I'm having to...
It's because they're so small. Is that why?
I don't know. I don't know if it's this brand. I don't know. I hope this works. I hope it looks like I imagine it to look, you know?
The only thing I worry is that I don't worry about it, but I thought about it, is that the Yeti cup is metal. This is wood. This vinyl sticks wood. I don't know.
In theory, it should.
That was the only thing I was wondering. But I'm sure you know exactly.
Maybe
Where do
not.
you keep this towel? On your bench?
I'm sorry, what?
This towel, do you keep it on your bench?
No, I put it back every time.
Oh. Okay.
Like, those flowers were very small, and they were not this hard to work with. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, they were very small, and they weren't like this. The bigger these are, the better, but it's not great. And I honestly worry how this will stick. Not because it's vinyl, but because it's having so much trouble doing anything, you know? Wasting my time. I hope that too. This vinyl is horrifying to work with. I will never buy this vinyl again.
That brand?
Yes, I hope it sticks. Because it does not
Have you
feel
thought
very
about
sticky.
stopping right there and trying it?
I'm this far now. Yeah, like if I had thought of that after the first one, yes. It's a little,
just thought of
it's a little late. So it's gonna go here.
Okay, Ashley did not have a fun time with that vinyl.
This vinyl sucks, and it's not because the things are smaller. I, with the Cricut vinyl, had very, very small flowers, and I had no trouble at all.
She's wondering, she's worried that it's not gonna stick on this wood, so we're just gonna, she's gonna test it out and see. But you know what? This is not something she'll be touching or anything like that. So once it's on there, it's not like anybody's gonna touch it.
They better not. This is where transfer tape would come in handy. I just refuse to buy things that I don't need.
What is transfer tape? I have no idea.
You stick it on top and then it lays it all at once.
Oh, okay. I've seen that. I think it will too.
Except for those, I'm worried about the small things, but I will deal with that when we get to it.
Yeah, I think it'll stick too. Okay, what are your final thoughts?
This took a long time.
This was a labor of love, though.
It was. It will be a good gift for her, as long as she likes it.
I think she will like it. I think she will love keeping this in her kitchen. I think you should sign the back of it and put the date on it, so that she'll always know that it was from you.
Or like a little heart down here.
Oh yeah, that would be cute.